As we age, both men and women notice changes in energy, circulation, and even intimacy. Fatigue, stiffness, and lower vitality are common after 50, but they don't have to be. The good news: nature already provides simple, delicious solutions. In this video, I'll reveal 5 fruits backed by science that improve blood flow, protect the heart, and naturally support vitality for men and women over 50. Stay with me, because at the end, I'll also share easy lifestyle tips that make these fruits even more powerful. Fruit number 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is often called nature's Viagra. Why? Because it's loaded with antioxidants, especially polyphenols, that protect your blood vessels and increase nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, letting more blood flow where your body needs it most, including reproductive organs. For seniors, that means better stamina, lower blood pressure, and a stronger heart. Tip: eat the seeds fresh, add them to smoothies, or drink unsweetened pomegranate juice for maximum benefit. Fruit number 2. Watermelon. Watermelon isn't just a summer snack, it's a circulation booster. It's rich in citrulline, an amino acid your body turns into arginine, which then increases nitric oxide. That's the same biological pathway prescription pills target, but watermelon does it naturally. For older adults, it keeps arteries flexible, supports kidney function, and prevents dehydration, which is critical for energy and healthy blood flow. Fruit number 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all loaded with flavonoids that widen blood vessels and improve circulation. In men, studies show blueberries can lower the risk of erectile dysfunction by improving vascular health. For women, stronger circulation means enhanced sensitivity and pleasure during intimacy. And the best part? Berries are low in sugar, high in fiber, and help control blood sugar while strengthening heart health. Try adding a handful to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Fruit number 4. Oranges. Citrus fruits like oranges are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessel walls and keeps them elastic. They also contain potassium to balance blood pressure and antioxidants to reduce inflammation. Poor circulation is one of the biggest causes of reduced libido in seniors, so keeping your arteries strong and flexible is essential. Fruit number 5. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, which lowers strain on the heart and promotes smooth circulation. They also contain bromelain, an enzyme linked to higher libido. Soft, easy to digest, and quick to energize, they're the perfect pre-workout, pre-workout, or even pre-romance snack. Here's the truth: eating these fruits alone won't magically change your health, but combine them with simple habits, and the results can be life-changing. 1. Take a daily 20 to 30-minute walk. 2. Stay hydrated with enough water. 3. Limit processed foods and excess sugar. 4. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. When your body is active, nourished, and rested, these fruits become powerful allies for better circulation, more energy, and a stronger sex life. So there you have it. 5 fruits that keep your heart, body, and intimacy alive as you age: pomegranates, watermelon, berries, oranges, and bananas. Remember, good health is the foundation of a fulfilling life, physically, emotionally, and romantically. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more science-backed health tips. And check the links in the description for my recommended nutrition guides and wellness tools that can take your results to the next level. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.